Bro, oh my god, bro, oh my god, please keep pumping, bro. We need to hit like 30k minimum, bro. This is actually terrible, bro, but I don't care, bro. I think we can make it to 30k. Bro, come on. Bro, in less than 5 minutes, we're already up here, bro. Just keep pumping, Alright, we're basically at 20k, so what you guys want to do to remove liquidity, go back to the website, click on the minus button, 100%, then remove liquidity. Come on, bro, this website. Okay, good. Now, and then boom! Oh my god, we just made... My Phantom wallet's been going crazy. I've racked up over $645,000 this month just by launching meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Don't click away. I'm about to break it all down for you guys. Bro, if you guys are tired of losing all of your money trading these meme coins, I have the strategy for you. Now, I used to trade these meme coins too. Every single day after school, after work, trading these meme coins, losing all my money. Okay, there's no way you're actually gonna make it. There is no way. Now, the reason being is that all of these coins, they all start out at the bottom and they all finish at the bottom. That's a good saying, isn't it? Now, what I'm about to show you guys is exactly how to do what they are doing. So, we create a coin, wait for buyers all the way up, and then we just dump it. As simple as that. Now, the way you guys are gonna do it is by going on coinlabs.fun. Now, the good thing with this website is that it's fully repeatable. You can create your meme coins every single time that you want, and you can keep going theoretically forever. And you can keep creating meme coins until you're satisfied and rich. And let me tell you, it feels so good when that one coin hits, I don't know, 50,000 market cap. It is so common in this space. Every single coin that's created gets launched over here and hits more than 100k. So I'm telling you guys, it is easier than you think. Stay tuned. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. The reason you guys are going to be creating your coins on coinlabs.fun is, first of all, is the only website on YouTube that is completely legit, and your coin will be launched in seconds. Now, why is this? Now, when you create your coin on coinlabs.fun, token gets put straight to the liquidity of Raydium. Now, what Raydium liquidity pool is basically where all the biggest coins are put. Now, you will be getting way more attention, way more buys, way more eyeballs, so way more money. Now, the reason why you guys will not be creating your coins on Pump.Fun is because it is too saturated. There are too many coins being created left and right. Your coin will be dumped into this ocean of bullshit. And another thing that is annoying with Pump.Fun, your coin will have to reach $90,000 in market cap for it to bond over to the Raydium DEX. Complete waste of time. Now, the way to make quick ass money is by going on the copy trending coin tab on the website coinlabs.fun. This tab is basically the website going through thousands of meme coins on the Raydium DEX, on the Pump.Fun DEX, trying to find coins that are proven to print thousands of dollars. And my golden strategy, my golden rule is, when you refresh, try to find, first of all, a good coin with a good narrative. So, for example, we have a lot of Israel and Iran war narratives going on right now. The second golden rule is going to be try to find a coin with a market cap of over $30,000, which will ensure it to have at least a bit of traction. And last but not least, once you refresh the list, try to find a coin with a last bot with under 15 seconds. I guarantee a profit by doing this method. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyan from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only two. Basically, I'm on a trip, and those are my last two recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so now you guys made it this far into the video, we're going to do the live carpet. Now, we're going to create a coin on this one. I like it. A good market cap, a good last bot, everything is good. So we're going to proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then it will take us to a page where we can create the liquidity pool. So this is token address for your coin. Now, all we have to do in this part is add 90% of the market cap to the public and 10% for yourself, which by the way, you will be getting this money back, so don't worry. And for the amount of token B, it's basically liquidity in your coin. So we're gonna put anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 is a good bet, so we're gonna put 0.3 for the sake of the video. Then we're gonna create on creating pool, and then our liquidity pool should be created. So let's confirm, and then there we have it. Our liquidity pool has been created. Now if we wait a little bit, we refresh, there is our coin. So how are you guys gonna see it? We're gonna click on view on Photon, and then it should take us, I just came back from a 20-minute walk, so shit. Here is our coin. So it already has hella buys. It looks to be stagnating a bit. I mean, I guess the coin did pretty well. So honestly, 26k is not that bad for a coin launch. What we're gonna do, we're gonna remove liquidity from this coin to get all of that sweet money. So all we would do is go back to the website. All you guys have to do to remove liquidity is click on the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. We will be removing 192 Solana, so let's go ahead and confirm that's about like $20,000. And then boom, there we go. The coin has successfully been rugged. Now look, our coin is at 0 obviously because we removed all the liquidity, and all you guys have to do is check your balance and the money should be there. It's as simple as that. $24,000 printed in 30 minutes. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.